In this video, we are diving into the topic of mechanics say this engine oil will destroy your car, but most drivers do trust it. Have you trusted a popular oil brand without checking if it actually meets your car's specifications? Are you following the crowd without questioning why mechanics are raising red flags about this oil? Are you unknowingly shortening your engine's lifespan every time you follow that flashy oil commercial? Whether you are a seasoned mechanic or a new driver, stick around as we unravel the truth behind these engine oils and help you protect your investments on the road. Let's get started. The controversy around popular brands. When discussing engine oils, a few brand names tend to dominate conversations. Castrol, Mobil One, Castrol, and Royal Purple. These brands are frequently praised for their high-quality formulations and performance in demanding environments. However, despite their widespread popularity, they are also frequently at the center of heated debates among car enthusiasts, professional mechanics, and everyday drivers. One of the most persistent criticisms revolves around the marketing claims. Detractors argue that these companies often overpromise results, suggesting dramatic performance enhancements or engine protection levels that may not materialize in everyday driving scenarios. In particular, mechanics who regularly deal with high-mileage engines or budget-conscious customers sometimes express skepticism. They argue that these premium oils may not deliver substantial benefits compared to more affordable conventional options. Some even claim that specific oils have contributed to engine sludge buildup or performance issues in the long run. Another point of contention is cost. Premium synthetic oils, especially those branded as high performance, come with hefty price tags. Royal Purple, for example, is significantly more expensive than many conventional oils. Critics often question whether the performance justifies the cost, especially for drivers of older or economy class vehicles. The skepticism grows when drivers feel pressured by oil change shops to choose high-end oils even when their vehicle's menu specifies otherwise. Scientific evidence, a mixed bag. Scientific and technical evidence regarding engine oil performance adds another layer to the debate, but is far from clear-cut. Numerous laboratory tests and field studies have attempted to quantify the benefits of synthetic over conventional oils in controlled environments. Many synthetic oils, including those from the aforementioned brands, show enhanced performance, particularly in terms of thermal stability, oxidation resistance, and wear protection. However, translating lab results into real-world benefits can be complicated. The average driver who uses their car for commuting, errands, or occasional trips may not experience a tangible improvement. For instance, a synthetic oil might retain its viscosity better under high heat or extreme cold, but if the engine is rarely exposed to such conditions, those benefits may go unused. Another nuance often overlooked is compatibility. Some auto engines or economy vehicles are specifically designed to run on conventional oils. Switching to a high-performance synthetic might not harm the engine, but it may not provide a full range of benefits either. In some cases, drivers have even experienced minor issues, such as oil leaks, after switching due to the synthetic oils, detergent properties, and different flow characteristics. Misconceptions. Adding to the confusion are widespread misconceptions about what synthetic oils can and cannot do. One common myth is that all synthetic oils are interchangeable and superior to any conventional oil. This leads some drivers to believe that paying more automatically translates into better engine protection. In reality, not all synthetic oils are created equal. Each brand uses its own proprietary blends of base oils and additives, and the results can vary significantly. Furthermore, the opinions of mechanics, while valuable, are not always based on impartial analysis. A mechanic may have had one or two poor experiences with a specific brand and develop a lasting bias. These anecdotal experiences, when shared with customers, can shape public perception disproportionately. As a result, misinformation and blanket judgments become part of the conversation, further complicating an already complex topic. What's crucial is to look beyond hearsay and understand the technical differences between oil types and brands. Educating yourself about specifications like API certification, viscosity rates, and OEM approvals can help you sift through biased or unfounded opinions. Real-world driver experiences. While scientific data and expert reviews are important, real-world driver experiences offer an equally valuable perspective. Every vehicle operates under unique conditions, and drivers across the globe have reported a wide range of outcomes when using premium engine oil brands. On one end of the spectrum, many drivers sing the praises of brands like Mobil One and Castrol. These users often report improved fuel economy, smoother engine operation, and longer intervals between oil changes. For example, synthetic oils are engineered to resist breakdown and maintain their protective properties over extended periods, which can be a game changer for drivers who cover long distances frequently. Drivers in regions with extreme weather, whether scorching heat or frigid cold, also frequently report better cold starts and thermal stability with synthetic oils. The reduced friction and enhanced cleaning agents found in brands like Castrol Edge and Royal Purple are said to reduce engine noise and promote a quieter, more refined driving experience. For performance enthusiasts, these benefits can make a noticeable difference, especially in turbocharged or high-revving engines. However, not all stories are positive. Some users have experienced oil leaks or premature wear after switching to synthetic oils. In other engines, particularly those with warm seals or high mileage, synthetic oils' smaller molecular structure and detergent properties can dislodge deposits or seep through small gaps, leading to leaks that weren't previously noticeable with conventional oil. There are also cases where drivers didn't notice any difference at all. Fuel economy remained unchanged, engine noise persisted, and oil change intervals stayed the same. For these individuals, the premium price point felt unjustified, reinforcing the idea that synthetic oils aren't a one-size-fits-all solution. What's more, driving habits have a huge influence. Someone who drives short distances in urban areas with frequent starts and stops might find different results than someone who cruises for hours on the highway. Thus, a product that excels in one context may not shine in another. Expert opinions. When navigating the complexities of engine oil choices, expert opinions can act as a compass. Mechanics, engineers, and auto technicians bring years of hands-on experience and technical knowledge that can clarify some of the murkier aspects of oil selection. Across the board, experts agree on one fundamental point: always follow your vehicle manufacturer's oil recommendations. These guidelines aren't arbitrary. They are based on extensive testing under various operating conditions. Manufacturers determine the appropriate viscosity grade and oil type based on the engine's internal design, tolerances, and expected usage. One veteran mechanic shares, "You wouldn't believe how many engine problems we've seen simply because someone thought they knew better than the owner's manual." This perspective highlights how even the best oil can cause issues if it doesn't meet the OEM specifications. Also, automotive engineers and scientists rely on rigorous testing to evaluate oil performance. These evaluations often consider oxidation stability, wear resistance, volatility, and cleanliness. For instance, Group 4 and 5 base oils used in top-tier synthetics like Castrol are chemically engineered for superior stability and longevity compared to Group 3 base oils used in many other synthetics. However, experts caution that these advantages may not be necessary for every engine, while high-performance oils are a must for race cars or extreme-duty vehicles. Daily drivers may not reap the same level of benefits. This is why understanding your specific needs is more critical than chasing brand prestige. Climate and temperature considerations. One factor that's often overlooked when choosing engine oil is the climate in which a vehicle operates. Temperature extremes can profoundly affect oil viscosity and consequently engine protection. In colder regions, oil tends to thicken, which slows its ability to circulate during cold starts. This delay in lubrication can cause premature wear. To counter this, low viscosity oils like 0W-20 or 5W-30 are recommended. These formulations flow more readily at low temperatures, allowing for quicker lubrication upon ignition. In contrast, hot climates cause oil to thin out. Thin oil loses its protective film, increasing metal-on-metal contact and the risk of overheating. High viscosity oils such as 10W-40 or 20W-50 are better suited to these environments. They maintain a protective barrier even when exposed to high temperatures, ensuring that the engine remains adequately lubricated. Brands like Castrol and Mobil One cater to a wide spectrum of climates by offering oils tailored to specific environmental conditions. Their product lines often include climate-specific formulations designed to handle either sub-zero cold starts or blistering heat waves with equal effectiveness. Understanding your local climate is vital when choosing an oil. It ensures that your engine is protected under the exact conditions it's exposed to daily, which can help maximize efficiency and lifespan. Suggestions for drivers. With so many variables to consider, selecting the right engine oil can seem daunting. However, a few practical strategies can help you make the right choice for your vehicle. Number 1. Read the owner's manual. This should always be your starting point. The manual specifies the recommended oil type and viscosity for your engine. Number 2. Research oil brands. Don't just go with the most expensive option or the one the shop recommends. Compare brands, read reviews, and look for certifications such as API-SN, SP, or ILSAC GF-6. Number 3. Consider your driving conditions. Stop and go, urban driving, heavy towing, high mileage, and extreme weather all place different demands on your engine oil. Tailor your choice accordingly. Number 4. Consult a trusted mechanic. A mechanic who knows your car's history and your driving habits can offer invaluable advice. Be wary of upselling, but don't ignore experienced guidance. Number 5. Pay attention to additives. Some oils contain detergents, dispersants, anti-wear agents, and friction modifiers. These can enhance performance or resolve specific engine issues. Number 6. Evaluate cost versus benefits. Sometimes the most expensive oil isn't the best choice for your vehicle. Consider how long you plan to keep the car, how often you drive, and what benefits you truly need. Have you ever had an engine oil failure experience? Comment below and let's build a real-world guide from drivers who know what works.